Hi, thanks for joining. Namaskaram, thanks for joining. Hi, thanks for joining. Good evening, thanks for joining. Hi, thanks for joining. Hello, thanks for joining. Good evening, thanks for joining. Hi, good evening, thanks for joining. We'll wait for some more time and then get on with the show. Please stay tuned. Thanks for joining. Hello, thanks for joining. Hi, thanks for joining. Good evening. Hi, good evening, thanks for joining. Yeah, I think we have an audience. We'll start the live.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Shoes Eternity's Sunday Live. Today we have interesting collection of sarees. We will start with our Bengal cotton silk, and then we have tussar silk sarees, hand painted printed silk. We have Madhubanis, very similar to what I am wearing, and we also have Kanta work sarees on tussar. Then we have affordable soft silk sarees in today's video. People who would like to buy these sarees, there will be a link that will be posted in the comment section. Once the live session is over, you can click on the link to look at all these sarees and go ahead with your purchase. We also undertake stitching and embroidery service. We do it only for prepaid orders, so please go ahead with your order first. Fill in the Google form with your measurements that you get in the mail. If at all you have any queries, you can always get in touch with our customer service WhatsApp number. So with that, let's get started. What I'm wearing today is a pure hand-painted Madhubani on tussar. It's a nice wine maroonish color. Beautiful hand-painted Madhubani patterns in the borders. And it's got tiny buttas all over the body, as you can see. And a brief pallu, which has got fish and bird buttas. And this comes with a running blouse. I have matched it with a cream geisha blouse. So this is priced at
5,980, 5980.
With that, let's get started. First we have a nice lime yellow.
Yeah, we'll start the show with saree number 1, priced at 1,490. 1490, saree number 1.
Bengal silk cotton saree. Beautiful jari woven patterns all over the body, as you can see. And that's going to be the pallu, a jari pallu, and a plain running blouse.
Saree number 1, priced at 1490, 1490. Moving on to saree number 2, priced at 1490, 1490, saree number 2.
We have a light baby pink in the same design. Beautiful jari patterns all over the body. And in the borders, as you can see, a jari pallu and a plain blouse.
Saree number 2, priced at 1,490.
Very elegant drape, it's very lightweight.
Moving on to saree number 3, priced at 1,490, 1490, saree number 3.
This is a white with gold jari buttas all over. That's going to be the whole body. A very pretty jari pallu and a plain cream color blouse.
This is saree number 3, priced at 1,490. Moving on to saree number 4, priced at 1,490, 1490, saree number 4.
We have a navy blue in the same design. Beautiful jari woven patterns all over in the body. That's going to be the whole body. A nice jari pallu and a plain blouse.
Saree number 4, priced at 1,490. Up next is sari number 5, priced at 3,290. 3,290, sari number 5.
Printed silk with block butties. This is a nice blue with brown combination. It's got beautiful partly pallu sari. Got a nice pattern. It's got a beautiful crack pattern in the body, as you can see, in blue. Comes with brown color bati borders on either sides. A beautiful brown color bati pallu and a plain brown color blouse. So the pleat part comes something like this. So that's how the whole sari looks.
Sari number 5, priced at 3,290. 3,290, sari number 5. Up next is sari number 6, priced at 3,290. 3,290, sari number 6.
Again a patli pallu sari. It's a nice mustard with a dark brown combination. Beautiful crack patterns in the body with batik borders. A nice batik pallu and a plain brown color blouse. And it's got a partly pleat part, something like this. That's how the whole sari looks.
Alright, sari number 6, priced at 3,290.
Next we have another Rama green in the same pattern.
Sari number 7, priced at 3,290. 3,290, sari number 7.
So this does not have any partly pallu design. It's just got a crack design all over the body. Beautiful brown color batik printed patterns, block printed patterns. A beautiful pallu and a plain brown color blouse. Very elegant sarees, extremely lightweight.
Sari number 7, priced at 3,290.
Beautiful drape.
Moving on to sari number 8, priced at 4,950. 4,950, sari number 8.
This is a pure tussar silk saree. So this is a beautiful tomato red color with wavy patterns, wavy block patterns all over the body. Jari borders on either sides of the saree. A beautiful striped jari pallu and a plain blouse.
Alright, sari number 8, priced at 4,950. Moving on to sari number 9, priced at 3,480. 3,480, sari number 9.
So from this I'll be showing you hand painted printed silk. So this is going to be extremely different sarees, beautiful designs, very uniquely designed sarees. It's a nice mamba yellow with black combination. So the borders of the saree have nice floral and fish buttas. It's got a nice marine theme and a plain red color contrast blouse.
Yeah, this
Very
is
lightweight again.
sari number 9, priced at 3,480. Moving on to sari number 10, priced at 3,480.
This is again a beautiful saree. So the whole of the body has black base with lotus flowers in pink and green, and it's got a beautiful figurine butta in the pallu and a plain orange color, a mustard color blouse, and this comes with a plain orange color pleat part. So that's how the saree looks.
Sari number 10, priced at 3,480. Moving on to sari number 11, priced at 3,480. 3,480, sari number 11.
It's a very pretty green with brown combination. Beautiful floral patterns in the borders, and it's got a beautiful raising pattern. That's going to be the pallu, a brown color floral hand painted pallu and a plain green color blouse.
Sari number 11, priced at 3,480.
Moving
Next.
on to woven tussar silk sarees.
Starting with sari number 12, priced at 4,850. 4,850, sari number 12.
This is again a very beautiful drape. It just looks like your soft silk sarees. It's very, very lightweight, but fully hand woven buttas all over the body. Very pretty MS blue with pink combination. Comes with jari borders, fully jari woven buttas all over the body. A nice jari pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Sari 12, priced at 4,850. Moving on to sari number 13, priced at 4,850. 4850, sari number 13.
I do have two more color combinations in the same design. Again, fully jari woven booties all over the body. In grey and red combination. Gold jari borders on either side of the sari. A very pretty jari pallu in red and a plain red color blouse.
Sari number 13, priced at 4,850. Moving on to sari number 14, priced at 4,850. 4850, sari number 14.
This is a beautiful copper sulphate blue with a dark and navy blue combination. Gold jari borders on either sides of the sari. Jari woven booties all over the body. A nice jari pallu in blue and a plain blue color blouse. Extremely good color combination. Very pretty sari. Very lightweight, easy to wear sarees.
Sari 14, priced at 4,850. Moving on to sari number 15, priced at 4,650. 4650, sari number 15.
This is a very pretty purple with mustard combination. It's got mustard color temple borders on either side of the sari, as you can see. Very traditional sari. So this has got an Orissa ikat pallu in mustard and a plain mustard color blouse.
Sari number 15, priced at 4,650. Moving on to sari number 16, priced at 4,650. 4650, sari number 16.
It's a blue with a maroon combination. Temple borders on either side of the sari. That's going to be the whole sari. Beautiful blue with maroon combination. And Orissa ikat pallu and a plain maroon color blouse.
Sari number 16, priced at 4,650. Moving on to sari number 17, priced at 4,950. 4,950, sari number 17.
This is a beautiful block printed pattern all over the body in a light peachish pink shade. Gold jari borders on either side of the sari. Very pretty bird buttas, as you can see in the whole of the body. A beautiful jari pallu with block prints and a plain pink color blouse.
Sari 17, priced at 4,950.
Next we have a chocolate brown.
Sari number 18, priced at 4,950. 4,950.
Gold jari borders on either sides of the sari. Very pretty hand painted floral booties all over the body, as you can see. A nice jari pallu and a plain blouse. Very elegant sari.
Sari number 18, priced at 4,950.
Moving on to Madhubanis.
Yeah, all these are painted Madhubani on tussar. Starting with sari number 19, priced at 5,950. 5,980.
This is a Rama green with all over buttas. Beautiful fish booties in the borders, as you can see. That's going to be the whole body. A pretty pallu, fully hand painted Madhubani pallu and a plain blouse.
Sari 19, priced at 5,980. Up next is sari number 20, priced at 5,980. 5,980, sari number 20.
This is a magenta pink. So this has got nice leaf booties all over the body, all over in the borders. It's got a plain body. A beautiful pallu. and a plain blouse.
Sari 20, priced at 5,980. Moving on to sari number 21, priced at 5,980. 5,980, sari number 21.
This is a light black. It's a lighter shade of black with Madhubani hand painted buttas all over the body. The borders of the sari have beautiful bird buttas. A very pretty pallu, very intricately designed pallu, and a plain black color blouse.
Sari number 21, priced at 5,980. 5,980, sari number 21. Up next is sari number 22, priced at 6,950. 6,970.
Moving on to our kanta work on pure tussar. It's a beautiful sari. It's a multicolored kanta work in the whole of the body from the shoulder till the pallu. You have very pretty kanta work, and it comes with a maroon color blouse and a multicolored pleat part. So that's how the whole sari looks.
Yes, sari 22, priced at 6,970. 6,970.
Next we have kanta on pure white.
Sari 23, priced at 6,790. 6,790.
Very intricately designed village theme, as you can see in the lower half of the sari. Beautiful multicolored thread embroidery patterns all over. A very pretty pallu, a village themed pallu, and a plain cream color blouse.
Sari 23, priced at 6,790. 6,790.
Next we have a single color kanta.
Sari
Single color
24.
thread woven kanta.
Sari 24, priced at 6,970. 6,970.
This is a beautiful cream with a magenta pink kanta work all over the body. It's got overall floral patterns, as you can see. Very elegant sari. And that is going to be the pleat part. And this comes with a magenta pink color pallu and a plain blouse. So that is how the whole sari looks.
Sari 24, priced at 6,970. 6,970. Moving on to sari number 25, priced at 6,980. 6,980, sari number 25.
So from here it will be soft silks. So first is going to be a blue with an orangish pink shade. Pink color borders on either side of the sari along with an orangish pink color border with jari borders. A beautiful jari pallu in orangish pink and a orangish pink color self-striped blouse.
Sari 25, priced at 6,980. 6,980. Moving on to sari number 26, priced at 5,680. 5,680, sari number 26.
A beautiful orangish pink with a double shaded mandala green on either sides of the sari. It's got a nice woven border, a very pretty border. That's going to be the whole sari. A striped green color pallu and a striped blouse.
Sari 26, priced at 5,680. Moving on to sari number 27, priced at 5,680. 5,680, sari number 27.
A very elegant maroon with black combination. The whole body has beautiful maroon color with black color woven borders, a striped black pallu and a striped blouse.
Sari 27, priced at 5,680. 5,680. Sari number 28, priced at 5,980. 5,980, sari number 28.
This is a light green with beautiful jari stripes pattern all over the body with silver color jari borders on either sides, as you can see. A very pretty pastel shaded green color pallu with a pair of peacock in silver jari and a plain green color blouse. It's a very different color combination, very elegant sari.
Sari 28, priced at 5,980. Moving on to sari number 29, priced at 5,980. 5980, sari number 29.
A very pretty cream with red combination. It's got a cream color checkered pattern all over the body. Very elegant sari. A red color jari and thread woven pallu and a plain red color blouse.
Sari 29, priced at 5,980. Alright, so the last sari for the session, the deal of the day sari. The actual price is 5,160 and the deal price is 3,950, 3,950.
It's a tissue sari, a dark onion peel color sari. Very pretty silver color jari borders on either side. It's got a minute jari checkered pattern all over the body, a jari pallu and a striped jari blouse.
Sari number 30, priced at 3,950.
So that is it for today's session. Thank you so much for joining. We will catch you with our next live session on Wednesday. So people who would like to buy these saris, please log on to our website. The link is active. You'll find a tab called Live Saris, under which you'll find another tab called Sunday Live. Click on the tab to look at all the saris. The link is active. You can go ahead with your purchase. We also undertake stitching and embroidery service. We do it only for prepaid orders, so please go ahead with your order. Fill in your measurements in the Google form, and if at all you have any queries, you can always ping us. So thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay home, and happy shopping. Bye bye.